Hello everyone and welcome. I am Karan. Today we are doing something exciting. We are bringing together our team of product designer where we would be exploring like how someone from a non-technical background would be building a product using AI tools available in the market. So let's see how does this goes.
So guys, we have a team of product designer. So we have Pranali,
Hi.
Chirag, Jayesh, Sanket, Janvi, and Shyam. So we also have Meet. So he has like some identify few of the problems and he wants to like build a product around it. So Meet, can you please share like what kind of problem like you have identified and you want to build a company around it?
Sure. Thanks for that, Karan. Uh, my vision of this product is that I want an application and someone that which is usable for both for Android and for iOS, right?
Okay.
And I want the application in which I have seen a lot that so many of the employees who have been, working in the office, like who have been working straight for 8 hours or maybe 9 hours, right? They take break for just one hour, right? So it was sometimes what happens that their back gets stuck, right? They have a back pain and they won't be, they feel lazy about it. That and they might get obesity problems and everything, right? So I've seen these things a lot and they just ignore it, right? So I want an application in which they get a reminder as well as they show a exercise that how you should you know do the exercise accordingly to avoid such things, right? So let's say if my back is struck and my back is paining or I'm not able to walk actively, so he that application will show me that okay, stand up for 15 minutes, walk for 5 minutes, then do some stretching on seat only. So I want application just like that, and it should be easy to use. And I've seen so many AI products in the market in which I can build this product in within 10 or 15 minutes, not more than that.
Oh, that's great. I think let's we can like try it out directly. Uh, so let's go on to build this.
Sure.
So Meet, where did you like heard about all these AI tools?
I got to heard about this applications from YouTube advertisements.
Okay, all right. And like how you are like planning to build this up?
So I'll drop my ideas to ChatGPT and I'll create a prompt and I'll take a help of that and I'll create the application.
Oh, nice. So like can you share the screen? Let's build up the product.
There we go.
I guess you have already named it Zen Life. It's a very good name. But there is one suggestion that I have seen some
Mhm.
of the, some of the mobile applications that are already there. And in order to, make it more interactive and habit forming, there is something called gamification in UX. So
Hmm.
which helps in, users to keep on track and coming back to the routine, and that's how we can keep them engaged with the application.
Okay.
Yeah. So like as we could see, like ChatGPT has like given some ideas on how to build up a product on this topic. Uh, so Meet, what was the tool which you had heard about?
I think Bolt was the tool.
Uh, so like you
Yep.
can make a prompt that ChatGPT could give you a prompt which could help you build this up in Bolt.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so like you can copy this from the overview and feed it to the Bolt app.
The whole one, right? Till beginners.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Guys, can you please tell me like why this application is taking so much time?
Uh, yeah, I think it's like uh, trying to understand like what the requirement you have added in the prompt, and it is creating separate pages which would require to build the application. Like here, like we can see it is like working on the onboarding of the application.
I think this application has too much things that what I was not expecting. But few of the points are missing, like what exercise that I need to, do if I'm feeling stressed out or anything. So that's missing.
Okay. Uh,
It's just
and
look
like
like a healthy fire app.
Uh, we basically like what was interesting here that how quickly your idea was shaped into something tangible over here. So normally whenever we start to create
Hmm.
any of the product, so it
Okay.
takes a lot of time to setting up the foundation before, like we need to do a lot of research around your product. We need to get some competitor analysis as well. So
Hmm.
here those all the steps are skipped, and you got something tangible. On top
Right.
of this, we can create like we can iterate this product further, and we can create it in detail. So what I
Okay.
really liked is that AI didn't replace your thinking or our thinking, but it just accelerated it,
Yes.
right?
So I think like the application looks good, right?
yeah,
Whatever the things that I have mentioned in the prompt, what ChatGPT has given, like everything is done by that. But the core thing that what I was expecting is not mentioned. But within just short period of time, like this application just created me a application. So this is really impressive. Yes.
yeah,
Okay. Karan, this is the mid same idea I created in the Figma with different perspective and the US perspective. Wait few minutes.
So this is completely different UI from what we have created in Vault, right?
Yeah.
I think this one looks quite visually appealing than what Bolt have created. But like Bolt has a lot of pages that they have created. This is more of like creative creative visuals that what Figma have added in the product. What was your opinion, guys?
This is onboarding.
I think this is not onboarding. Yeah, it's the onboarding screen
Okay.
where we select what we are. I'm sitting too much and I want to eat healthier.
Think the challenge, the thing that which I have noticed that AI can give you like quantity, but still it up to us like on the product designer to like bring in quality. Like it can throw hundred of options on the table, but which one that we will pick that will be better for your user, that still is our responsibility.
Yeah, this is like food. You know, in a market, so many foods are available. But which food you want to eat, that's depend on you. I guess it fails in a lot of aspects, since this tools does not, it does not understand our users, as well as our expectations. So one positive thing is like, since Figma is made for designers, so it understood that, yeah, personalized onboarding will be required. So even though it was not mentioned in the prompt, it picked it up by itself. So that is positive thing. But apart from it, it fails in, in terms of space utilization, in terms of navigation. Of course, research insights are not present in this. It fails in accessibility areas, and a lot of other, navigational issues are there. So I believe human intervention is always the best, in order to, get personalized solutions.
Right.
Also, this is like common pattern AI tools are following. Like we are using different types of, icon libraries. This just replace icons with emojis, and it's really terrible to see within UI.
Cool.
And like this very much lacks like empathizing with the users.
Yeah. So if apps are made for users, and if they are using for, everyday basis, it should empathize with the user needs. That's the important aspect.
Okay.
So I think this AI tools, in 2 to 5 minutes, it helps you to imagine, like to get the things picturized, what you are imagining in your thoughts. So it helpful to see a life, uh, but like then you get to know that what you don't need with this thing. So that's how it can help, uh, I think.
Right. Nice observation.
So to me, I feel like that it's a good way to start, like when we are brainstorming things, I believe it will be a nicer option for us to explore various AI tools and, collect all of these what do you call screenshots or things from here, and we can brainstorm and then figure out a really good plan to go ahead and design something. Because I mean, based on whatever, like we looked at two different AI tools which have created a mobile flow for a Zen Life application UI, and these both of them, they don't give us exactly what we expect out of them, but they do give a sort of a direction. So, the UI looks pretty promising, but when we look really into it, it does not, like, there are so many things which are missing over here, So, I mean, I feel like to me, an AI tool would be something which would help me just brainstorm about things, it would be a step in my brainstorming process. And then, maybe work on my prompts, or and then it would be able to help out create something really good. Yeah.
Right. Anything from you, Jayesh?
Yeah, so from my side, actually, this application look like, a wireframe based. So if we see in a detail, so just one example, the this graph. So you will be see the graph is, not a very understandable. So right now it's Monday, Tuesday, in a full week. So you can just its graph is only filling, but there is a no any bar, there is a no any numbers. That will be that you will be compare with other days. Again, you can go with other tabs like today. Just click on today. Sangat. Yeah. So here you can see there are so many information, but you if I'm a user, I need to I have a very less uh, information to use this application. But right now it's so much things, so it's very difficult to understand how this application need to use it. So yeah, so my opinion, this will be only a first go. It's look like a rough wireframe, so we need to refine this whole experience uh, into a very detailed research. So this will be help to create a very structure wise scenario. So yeah, so this will give us uh, different tabs. So yeah, we will get information. Okay, there are three tabs and more options. So you and some features are in this application, but the user experience is not good. The UI is looks very old school. So yeah, so my opinion is this is a rough wireframe.
Sanket, anything from you?
Its the initial phase is the good, but they miss the lots of use cases, and in the onboarding it's not good. But the core problem is for the healthy life. It's not satisfied with this app.
Hmm. So overall, what I think that this exercise shows that where the future is headed. Uh, like AI won't be like replacing us, or they will build perfect product for anybody, but it definitely make the process faster and more playful. And it the prompt engineering part, where it makes the product owner feel that that person is inclusive while creating something. So I believe that if we keep blending the human creativity with AI scale, so we will see like products being created in weeks that someday was taking some years in past. So yeah, this is really good exercise that we have done. Thank you guys. Thank you for all of your time, and we'll be continuing doing these sessions more often.